INTEX Aqua Power, and let me show you how to insert here the micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power button. Choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then let's open the back cover. Let's do it by using the following cavity right here, step by step. And here you can open the battery by using the following cavity. As you can see, I've got my one SIM card inserted, so let me leave it and let me insert the second one with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just put this card in that position and press it to the end. Let me just show you here. Press to the end, and that's it. As you can see, now you've got two cards inserted. You can also insert the memory card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just put this card in that position. Now let's close the protection by using the following battery and back cover and simply switch on the device. Let's press power key. The device is switching on, so now let me wait until the operation will be completed. And here we got the information about the SD card, so our SD card is working properly. Now let's choose here the apps icon, find here and select the settings right here. Alright, here I have settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down again and select here the SIM cards, and as you can see you've got information about our two SIM cards, so it's a good sign. Now you can use your device with your free cards. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.